hi. You want to run a few errands with me and Chance? Okay. Here we go. We're going to be rocking out to my Taylor Swift. Should I have my phone? I do. Okay. What do you want? Huh? What do you want? You're slobbering all over me. You're slobbering all over me, buddy. He wants a T-R-E-A-T. I'll give him one. You want a treat? I'm almost empty. You see, there you go. Slobber all over. Okay, got the tissues, got my little garbage bin back here. First stop, UPS. That's good.
Everything be different today. We were something your heartbeat on the high line, once in 20 lifetimes.
Here we are at the UPS. Are they open? Let's see. Yeah, girl, they're open. Oh wait, are they? Are they closed? Are they closed? Are they closed? Okay, thank you. Nope, they're open. Okay, let's find a good parking spot. Okay. Okay, don't worry about Chance, because I keep the car running. I can lock it and I can keep it running with him in here for 30 minutes. There he is. Okay, I'm gonna go inside to the UPS store and hold him back. I feel weird carrying the camera into the UPS because then I got my packages and I gotta scan them. You know what I'm saying? So we'll be back. Bye. I packed my own coffee. Why? Because, and my water. Because I'm not going out to spend like $9 on coffee when I can make it at home. I like to go out for coffee if it's an experience, like with friends and we're gonna chit chat, or my sister. And then, you know, it's an experience. You go to a cute place with the ambiance and everything. But if I'm just like going around, I'm gonna make my own coffee. I'm gonna bring my own water. Every time I pick this up, it makes the same clicking sound as my middle console, and that's where his TREATS's are kept. So he thinks it's like, oh, I'm gonna get a TREAT, yay! No. Why? Because I have to be careful with the amount of, I mean, with any dog, right? But you don't want to overfeed them, give them over treats. You don't want to love them with food because they can't control themselves. They will eat until they literally bust. So, but with him, I have to be even more careful because he has, oh, excuse me, an autoimmune disorder, IMHA, which is body attacks his red blood cells, but he's on medication and he gets blood work every month, and right now his red blood cell count is real good. And then he has irritable bowel disorder, but he also has a fatty liver. His enzymes are really high, like in the thousands, and they're supposed to, I forget what the normal level is for a dog, but not as high as he is. So I have to monitor the amount of fat that's in everything I feed him. So I normally will feed him when we're home vegetables and fruit, but I have to be even careful with vegetables because carrots, all carrots are fiber and water. And one time I was feeding him, like, he would get 2 huge carrots, and let me tell you, he loves the big carrot, twice a day. And over time, that was, I guess, too much fiber and water for his system, so his stool started to get loose, and my vet said it's because, well, actually, she thought it was his IBD starting up again, but then I was thinking, oh, I bet you because I'm giving him too many carrots, and I Googled, like, if a dog eats too many carrots, what's the side effect? And it was loose stool, so I talked to her about it because she was going to start him on this medicine again. But see, you have to be careful with what medicine you give him because it could activate his IMHA. It's a whole thing. So we didn't start any medication. I held way back on the intake of carrots, and his stool became a normal consistency again. So that was a long story. People be going shopping. People be going shopping. Gotta be careful of the shady people in the neighborhood. We have lots of Walmarts in this area, but they're like probably any area. There's good Walmarts, shady Walmarts, and the best Walmarts that have, like, they're cleaner and a little bit safer. So I'm at one of the nicer ones, I feel. Is that a cart situation? And I always back into a parking spot when it's a big parking lot that has a lot going on, because people and other cars do not pay attention when people have on their reverse lights. You know what I'm saying? So, hello. Okay. Here we go. In the parking spot. Okay. Let's go into Walmart and you'll come with me. Okay. Let's go. For $45, 2 pajamas, 1 pair of lounging pants. That's not bad. Because if you bought name brand, like say Lululemon or Skims, it'd be a couple $100s for those things, and the material feels just as nice. Chance is in there. He's waiting. Oh, you can't see him because of the glare. I'm gonna let him out to go potty. Hi, buddy. Hi, here's mommy. I'm coming. Come on, let's go potty. Hi, bud. Hi, you want to go potty? Yeah, come on, let's go potty. Hold on, let me find the leash with the, what you call on there in case you poo-poo. Okay. Come on. Okay. Come on, bud. Take all your feet out. Take all your feet out of the bed so mommy can get you out. Ready? And one. No, don't put it back in there. You gotta go potty. Come on. Come here. Come on, let's go potty. I know you have to go potty. Come on, buddy. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Oh, there we go. There we go. Come. Oh, you're gonna go right there. Okay. Okay. You could not wait to get to. Okay. When you take your doggies out, or if you walk your cats or whatever animal, be really mindful of the red ants. Because one time in our backyard, before we had pest control come, Oliver, my other dog, thank you so much, sniffed up some red ants. Sniffed up some red ants. And we had to take him to the emergency vet. Yeah. That was $3,000. That was before we had insurance. Actually, I believe, oh no. We got insurance after we had to get Chance's knee repaired. And we're like, yeah, we should probably get insurance. Come on. Oh, and another thing I have to be careful about with Chance particularly, he loves bubble gum. And he's, obviously he can sniff it out even though he's blind. He will try to rip that bubble gum off the ground if it's... I have to really make sure with him that I'm keeping my eye out on him all the time. Pause up, bud. Pause up. There you go. Pause up once more. Pause up once more. Good job. There we go. One. Ready? I'm gonna... 1, 2, 3. No, pause up. Oh, do you smell something down there? What's down there? Huh? What's down there, bud? Do you smell something? No? Okay. Come on. Let's do the pause up. Come on. Come on. Pause up. I need 2 hands for this. Come on, but what do you see down there? Is there something, a biscuit that fell or something? Oh, let me see. Oh, yeah. I'll get it for you. I'll get it. I'll get it for you. I'll get it for you. Come on. I'll get it. Just do your paws up. Do your paws up, buddy. There we go. Oh, there we go. I found it. I found the biscuits. Here you go. Here you go. Okay. 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 Now we're gonna get him a drink. You want a drink, bud? Yeah? Okay. Okay, let's get you a drink. Make sure as soon as you get in your car, you lock your doors. Alright. No, I have it here somewhere. It is so bizarre. Usually I put it in a place where I can reach it right away. Where is it? I know I have it in this car somewhere. Hold on. Hold on, let me see. Let me see. Is it here? Chancy Bear, where did I put it? Okay, hold on, I'm gonna get you a drink. Where? I had it in the back door pocket. Okay, you want a drink? I'm gonna get it for you. Hold on, I gotta put it in there. I gotta put it in there first, but. Okay, hold on. Here you go. It's very important if you're traveling with an animal to bring them a drink. You get thirsty, right? So do that. See? See? Good job. That's a good job. And if you're wondering, what is that sound? Is that my phone ringing? Oh! That is my timer to make sure I get to the car in time. See, that timer meant like, okay, I have to go check out now. Good job. I'm gonna stick this right up here. You did a good job. Okay, so if you're wondering why I have do not pet all over him, it's because if he doesn't know you, sometimes he will bite you, and people, even though it has, I just had blind dog on there originally, but people go right up to his head, you know, and pet him, and then he could try to, he might bite him, you know, so. But you know what? What is that on it? Do you know what? People, even though I have all over him, do not pet, blind dog, people will still come right up to him, won't they, buddy? And pet him. And I have to be like,